So I've been really quiet on YouTube lately. Work's just been crazy, and I do have new parts coming for the car. I'm just still waiting. I thought they were going to come in this week, but might be next week. So I'm running into a little issue with my car now, like actual issue. When I floor it in second, third gear, not most of the time, but like a good chunk of the time when I do that, the RPMs just stay where they are, and the speed doesn't increase, the RPMs don't increase, and it just makes, well, there's just a lot of load in the engine, which is weird because it's like 2500 RPM, so when you floor it, it should pick up slowly. Anywhere from 2 to 3, if I floor it, nothing happens. The RPM would just stay in between, or whatever RPM I floor it at, and it would just stay there. The speed would not increase, neither would the RPM. Nothing basically would happen to the car. It's just basically in limp mode. So I'm pretty sure it's because the intake, when I put the intake on, I didn't really retune it, and that all started happening because of that. So I'm sure it's because of the intake. Also, I'm still running the old open flash tablet tunes from like a year ago. My buddy Matt told me they released new ones. So here are my old files. They're all stage 2. Now openflashtablet.com has updated them, and now we can get stage 2 plus, which is more power, I'm guessing. So you go here, and then you search for your car ID number. So there we go. And then basically tells you everything you need to do. We are back in the car. Gonna tune it now. Hopefully this works. The new stage 2 plus tune, I tried opening it up and seeing if I could do launch control as well as my backfire tune again, and the numbers were so weird and everything was so different that I didn't want to mess around with it. So I'm gonna write to Open Flash Tablet people and see if they can make me a custom tune. Key on, confirm. So I'm gonna write to them and see if they can make me a custom backfire tune, because the numbers were so weird. I really don't want to mess around with that. They're a lot different than from the previous tunes, so I really don't want to mess around with that and basically break my car. So I'm just gonna trust them, upload this second tune, take the car out for a spin. Hopefully something's changed. If not, then I'm just gonna go back to my popping tune from the previous one. So I'll skip through this whole process. I'm not gonna let you guys wait here and with me. I'm just gonna skip to the end. So that was a bit weird, but I thought, let me see, diagnostics, my car. I thought that it was supposed to eliminate the cold start, but I guess not. So everything seems to be fine. I'm going to take it out for a spin, see what's up, but hopefully that fixed the issue, and hopefully I got more power. So let's see. It's gone. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna let the car warm up a little bit before I really start bashing on it. The biggest thing I probably dislike about tuning my car constantly is that the gas pedal has to adjust again. So there's like this much room where you give gas but nothing happens because there's like a dead pedal and it has to adjust again. So me driving right now, it's kind of like jerking a bit, but that's just because it hasn't adapted yet. what, but this tune kind of feels really slow. I thought a stage 2 plus tune would give me more power, but it kind of feels slow on the butt dyno. Like between 35 to like 5,500 RPM, there's really nothing. That's really weird. Drive this car around for a little bit. I mean, there's definitely no lag like before, so it's definitely working. I guess it's safe to say it worked. Yep. Oh, I'm so happy. I just don't have a pop tune anymore. So I retuned it back to my old stage 2 tune, not the stage 2 plus that just recently came out, and the car definitely feels faster with my old tune, so that's really weird. I did just read online that it said that you have to have the stock air intake, and I don't, so I guess maybe that's why the stage 2 plus is acting up weird on me. I might have to change it back, but I miss these pops. So would I recommend the stage 2 plus? In my car personally, no, but that's because of my intake.